Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Okay guys, now let's take a look at the gold market once again. So yesterday's trading plan has worked perfectly. So market has reached precisely 2483 target that we have specified on the hourly chart. So as we said, in general, the overextended level or bond level on the higher time frames, this is not the precise number, as well as some extension or something. It's an area where market feels a bit uncomfortable, and it works like, as I said already, as a glue, so that it has the problems with the breaking it, trying to pass through it, but it doesn't mean that it can't fluctuate and jumping around. So maybe it could last for even more. But currently we actually see the signs of the trading plan that actually we have discussed yesterday. So finally, now officially, XOP has been completed with the spike up. If a couple days ago it was in some minor gap for a few cents until the XOP, mostly it has been completed, but now we have the nominal confirmation. In general, retracement on the gold market is well, actually ripened for a long time ago. So we talked about different external factors that led them to start, and currently maybe this time it might be some response because now additionally we have not only overextensions, but also we have very important targets. As we already talked about, this 2635 is a monthly big extension. Now we have on a daily chart extension, so this is an area where potentially we could start watching for some reaction signs from the market. On the 4-hour time frame chart, I have changed slightly the levels. Thrusting action maybe not really perfect, but still this is some kind of the, momentum exists, and here we still be watching for possible bread and butter trade, for example. And it very often happens right on the tops when the momentum still exists in market for the first retracement, buyers taking the positions and pushing price higher. So this is the idea of the bread and butter, and that's what we intend to keep an eye on the 4-hour time frame chart. On the hourly chart, you could see that this is the target that we have specified, and currently you can see that market is moving slightly lower. The pattern that we have agreed to keep an eye on is actually possible head and shoulders. So maybe it will be formed. We will know this next week, but if it will appear, that might be not bad a background for scalp traders to consider some short-term short position or something. Also, preferably if it will be on a larger scale, not on the hourly chart, but at least on the 4-hour time frame chart. But also I would watching for regardless triple to sell. Maybe it will be particular the shape of the bread and butter. What I mean that it might be first downside drop to the confluence support area, for example, or just to the nearest standing level, and then upward A, B, C, D retracement. So in the shape of the A, B, C, D pattern, where we could get together some kind of the regardless triple to sell. This is very typical performance on reversal points for the gold market. Gold very often on the top is forming triple twos. So this is also the pattern that we will keep an eye on the next week. If we will get it, that might be interesting by itself, so we could trade it separately, but also it might become the first step in a larger scale retracement that could follow next. So that and towards what we have in the gold. Overall plan remains the same. We're not considering taking any new longs by far on the gold market. For the short positions, we actually in general do not consider it, because we have the long-term fundamentally bullish view, and we're watching for pullbacks only as a chance to get gold at the good prices. But for intraday performance, those who trade on intraday charts or scalp traders, it's absolutely not forbidden. So if we will get a good bearish scenario, why do not consider it? So let's just wait when it will be formed.